All right, I said I was gonna be documenting doing what I'm gonna be doing here. So what I'm gonna do first is mask off the parts that I'm not gonna paint, such as the Nismo logo here, the ports, all the stuff that's not gonna get painted on, and then gonna start painting. And my color I chose is wrinkle red. So I'm gonna mask off all these and mask the Nismo out, and then get ready to paint it. Got the wrinkle paint here. After I mask it off, I'm gonna heat it up. So I'm pretty much just gonna stick the heat gun inside the intake part of it, and then I will, once it get hot enough, then I'll start painting it. I'm gonna take it on. So with wrinkle paint, you want whatever you're heating up or whatever you're painting to have some heat to it. So when the paint goes on there, it sticks, and also it starts the wrinkle process. So I'll kind of show you that also when I start to paint it. I mean, this part right here is already warm, so it's gonna move back. I can feel it now moving back more and more towards the rear of the manifold. All right, this is what I'm using. Bam, 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 bam. I know some people are gonna be like, "Oh, you didn't take the blue off." Damn sure didn't, and I ain't gonna take it off. So hopefully it looks right under this, over this blue. Guess we'll see. Here we go. This part is already kind of warm, so let's give it a light coat. Pretty far away. All right, you can see the wrinkle process is taking place. And then it's holding heat here as I finish painting some parts of it. And I know for sure when I get ready to put this back in the car, something's gonna get scratched. Something's gonna get scratched. All right, we are here with the intake manifold. Got some of the stuff off already. Simple stuff that anybody can do. Take this ugly thing off. So we're gonna, I already got the throttle link up. I was told that I'm probably gonna have to take the brake booster out, but I'm trying not to do that. So I'm gonna get this one off first, and then we'll go after that to see what else I would have to take off. But I also heard that to get it in the rear, there are two studs that I need to take out, and then like slide it in with the new manifold, the Nismo one. So yeah, when we get to that, we'll get to that. But let's get to it. All right, we got the old one off. Everything is off. I'm trying to clean up some stuff on here if I can clean anything up, but kind of what's on RB is what's on here. Got the old one here. That is it, Mike. All right, before I start getting, but if I even want to put the new manifold back on, I also have some knock sensors some aftermarket knock sensors that I got from GRP Engineering. I think this company is out of Australia, I think. But these are gonna go on, and it should give me like better knock reading, just overall in general. Take off the old knock sensors from Nissan that's been on there a while. Put in some new ones, just a little bit more, a little upgrade that's very helpful. All right, we got the manifold here, painted, finished, did red, wrinkle. Now I'm gonna try and fit it in here without having to take the intake off. I mean the brake booster or the clutch master. I don't know, but I'm about to find out. All right, you guys about to witness firsthand if it goes on or not. Just to show you. Brake booster's still in. Everything's still in there. Didn't take nothing out. What I did was I took all the dial pins, the alignment dials, I stuck them in already. They're already in there. So, also what I'm going to get is the pipe. So I think that's going to be like a big factor, this pipe here. This to go in. My thing is, if I get this intake on, I wonder can I tighten this pipe up after? That's what I want to know. But I don't know for sure, can't really tell right now. I think it'd be better if I had a lot more room if I took off this right here. I call anything that dropped into the engine bay of a R33 or a GTR in general, damn near a Nissan. It's called the abyss. Down here, that's the abyss. Once it falls down there, just say goodbye to it. It's gone. It's gone. Now we're gonna use some zip 'em up ties. I literally just pulled this one off. It might be broken, but worth a try. Now, excuse the fan noise, but I think the big dilemma what people run into is getting the manifold after you put this hose on. Is getting the manifold to sit over this. So, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to actually put those bolts in after I get the manifold on. I'm going to put the manifold on with this, but it's not going to be connected. So, all together now. Everything is up. So what I'm going to do is slide it down in here so that I don't scratch my manifold up even more. Just trying to slide it down in here first. Come on, work with daddy. Work with daddy. I'm good to you. You know I'm good to you. Now be nice, alright? Okay? Hold on down here. What we hit? What we hit? Nothing? Alright, keep going. Keep going. There we go. Alright, the hose is down there. So I'm kinda gonna forget about it. Alright. Push. Do your best and push it. This clutch master cylinder, this little piece that's on the edge of it, that's what's kind of hitting right now. So I can show you what I'm talking about here. This little dude, we're actually hitting this. Like, this is what we're really hitting. So what I'm gonna do is take this bolt loose and see if I can get, like, just maybe like pull it off, and then once I get the manifold on, put it back on, and see where we go from there. So let's try that. All right, I'm a firm believer in weight reduction. This bracket, which is right here, this one right here, that's on the bottom bolt of the bottom stud of the clutch master, literally is just a bracket to hold this freaking line right there where it is. I myself believe that that one line is not going to be not going to be hurt by taking that off. So you know what I'm going to do, right? I'm just going to take that bracket off, and then we're going to go from there, okay? This bracket right here. I don't think I'm going to use it. So we're going to take that off. All right, I know I said what I said about this hose here, and I meant what I said. So what I'm going to do is try and save myself some cuss words and heartaches and pain. I'm going to put this on, but I'm not going to tighten it. Put it on. Just have them on there loosely, so when I put this manifold on, maybe I can, work it around it. A little bit tight, so that I don't have that much more to do when I do put it on. Take 18. I'm trying to find a way to show everybody this can be done without having a. Some people saying take the engine out. Jesus Christ. No way. No way. I would have to take an engine out, put an intake on, unless you own some crazy car brand like Volvo or Porsche or something. Right. Let's see. Now, if there's a way to dangle this, I'm going to try and make a way. Let's see. Let's come this way. I don't want to stretch the manifold. I literally just paint it too much. Probably going to get scratched a little bit. Alright. Oh, yeah. I'm hitting something. I'm hitting something. Let's try this. Let's try it. Let's try this. Alright. Alright, now they get past my. Alright. Okay. 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 Shit. Alright. Sweating like a mother. For good purpose. Alright. So what the hell are we hitting there? I think we are. We're hitting that hose. Yeah, so as I just said, I'm going to take the whole hose off, and then we're just going to stick it back on. Alright, hose is off. It's a one-way check valve. So I was also anyway thinking about running a clutch that doesn't have a freaking... Run a clutch that doesn't have a booster connected to it. So I guess I'll be looking into that later. I know PRP, I think PRP makes one. But I saw Andrew's videos painting the bleep to put in. Alright, let's try it again. Here we go again. Take 25. Take 25. Hitting the brake booster. Son of a beeswax. I mean, it's like literally centimeters away from going on there. You kind of want to just literally tap that brake booster in that section just to bend it up. All right. Here we go again, just in case it does work. It's done. Take 96. What you want to do is get this back in there. Put your manifold like this here. Right there, right here. You like that? Right there. Once you get the hoses in there, wiggle them off around in there. What the hell we hitting here? Shit. It's hitting it. Oh yeah. Right. Here we go. There we go. Oh, I'm so close to that hole. Like super duper close. Maybe I'll move that towel. Oh my god. Here it is. Here it is. Just to show you, I did not have to take no engine out of this car. I didn't have to remove my brake boost. I just had to move some components around. But look at this. Just to show you. The manifold is on, boys. Manifold is installed into this car without having to take no engine out. Brake booster still in. Just a little tapper with a hammer. Didn't break anything. It's not gonna leak. And it's in here. It is in here. So if you do the steps I just taught you, you can get your Nismo intake manifold in without taking your engine out or removing your brake booster. Just remove the components I showed you, you're good to go. I'm telling you guys, follow Nismology. I'm trying to feed you knowledge. If you have these cars, if you have R32 or R33 or 34, this is something that you can save money on without having to take it to someone to get it done. So do it yourself. A couple hours out of your day, you got it. But I'm gonna tighten everything back up. I think this like kind of concludes everything. I'm gonna tighten everything back up, and that should be it. I'll give you guys a shot of it once I'm finished. But just do what I said, and you will have this intake manifold in your car without having to take an engine out, removing your brake booster, which is still in there, clutch master still in. Just move some stuff around to get you more suited to getting in there. Here it is. Holla at your boy Nismology. Peace out, and see you boys and guys later. Peace.
Bye.